Good evening, everyone. My name is Manan Sharma, and I am currently studying in Sainik School, and I scored 240 out of 300 in my first attempt. And this all happens of my hard work that I have done, and my parents also had done hard work. So I only suggest you that what you read, revise it when until you didn't learn it perfectly. And when sir is teaching something, and always think that you have to clear it, and don't think like this, I can't do, but everyone can do, but their thinking made it so that some can and some can't. And make a proper schedule for what you are doing today, because until you can't do anything. And that's what I do, and I am here. Thank you.